So congratulations to Zinhle Gladue. Bumlo Investment Company ya Barnabas Marambire will be building a house for her. I'm sure a lot of people are now familiar nemsikana uyu. Anorwira hondo dzakawanda maZimbabweans and haatombode kuona maZimbabweans achitukwa pasocial media. Anonyatsovaudza maSouth Africans kushata kwavo and kunaka kwakaita maZimbabweans. This lady has been in Zimbabwe several times. Natinashe Mutarisi vakambomuhosta mashows asen floor aja praiser and also ana Royal Mint ana Mofela unowana vari vese nana Bigwe Shira. I think it's now like she's Zimbabwean, more like Zimbabwean than South African. Content yake yese anenge achingotaura about Zimbabwe. Mai vake chaiva kutovadzidzisa Zimbabwe. So Bumlo Investment wrote a statement saying, after inquiring with the Zimbabwean community on whether we should build a house for Zinhle Gladwell, the response was overwhelmingly positive. We also received interest from several individuals who are willing to contribute towards construction of the house in South Africa. We therefore call upon anyone willing to contribute towards this noble cause to contact us and speak to Mr. Homero. What an inspiring moment. Zimbabweans coming together to donate a house to a South African citizen. One love, one continent. Bumlo Construction, where happiness is our pride. I've never seen Zimbabweans getting so excited about a foreigner getting a house from us. And today was the day that it happened. I think it's a lesson to all the South Africans that kungobatana zvakanaka kwakanaka. We are one people, we are all Africans. She stands with us day in and day out, and haana kuzviziva kuti one day vanhu vachazosvika pakuzomuonawo kumira kwaanoita nesu. And kumba kwavo, I feel like she deserve a house because kumba kwavo, I think anogara ku location, so something like that na mama wake futi. So this will be something great to her. Haangambotadze kuchema nekufara because of this kind gesture yaitwa naBarnabas. Aiwa Barnabas to the people, Barnabas to the world. Zviya zvaanga kuda kuita zve-social media zvekuti food for thought, it was nonsense, useless. But now manje company yake akunyatsoipusha in the right direction. Aiwa ndiwo business. Marambire ndiwo business asiwe kusvika uchingoita zvema-food for thought zviya. He's a businessman and ndokutokura kuchatoita business rake. Zvaari kuita izvozvo he's going to be recognized with a lot of people and vanhu vakawanda vachabva vatoona kuti ari kuvaka zvakadai, so let's just use him businesses avo kuvaka and everything. I don't know what you guys think, but it seems as if a lot of people are excited, although hapazoshayiwa one or two vanenge vachingotaura kuti azoendere kunopa muSouth African, kwadi kupawo vanotambura munomu. Hapashayike anotaura, pese panongobuda zvinhu zvakanaka zvakadai. I don't know what you guys think. Let me know in the comment section what are your thoughts. When you're a subscriber, please make sure that you're subscribed, and see you in my next video.